Hello there and welcome. My name is Vakile. We are on to the 8 string guitar again, and one good thing that I'm gonna do with you on this 8 string guitar is we're gonna learn the scales. Okay, we're gonna learn the scales, the scale shapes. For example, we're gonna learn the pentatonic scale. Well, I'll just give you this B major pentatonic scale, playing in the key of B on the 12th fret, string number 2. That's where the key is. And the other one is on the 5th string, 14th fret. Those are the notes on there. And the other note is actually on the 7th string, fret number 12. So those are the roots. Okay, so to play a pentatonic there, which is our mangong mode of the pentatonic, you'd find you have and going up. It's a nice one. Okay, so what we're going to do with this pentatonic scale, if you got the minor pentatonic that you normally know there, which is this one here. Just relying on the sound there, without analyzing it, just rely on the sound. You find you get it if you rely on the sound. So that's the thing there. The one thing that we're gonna enjoy on there are the diagonal shapes. We're gonna enjoy diagonal shapes, and I'm gonna show you the diagonal shapes on the fretboard, theoretical on the fretboard, and then we'll come back onto the actual fretboard. We do the practicals from the very bottom string number 8 to string number 1, the top string. So we'll enjoy the diagonal shapes there. They're pretty cool. I can see that they're pretty cool. So just watch out for those, and we're gonna do the scales that we're gonna do there. The major pentatonic scale and its mods, and then the major scale and its mods. Okay, so there are the five mods of the pentatonic scale: the major pentatonic scale, which is the major pentatonic itself mod, and then the suspended pentatonic mod, and then the mangong, which is the one that I played down here, mangong mod, and then the reduced mod and the minor pentatonic mod. So we're gonna play those on this 8-string guitar, and we're gonna enjoy it. We're also gonna play the major scale mods, which are the first mod number 1. We're gonna play the Ionian mod there, and then we're gonna play the Dorian mod. We're gonna play the Phrygian mod. We're gonna play number 4, the Lydian mod, and number 5, the Mixolydian mod, and number 6, the Aeolian mod or the natural minor, number 7, the Locrian mod. Okay, we're gonna play those in some diagonal shapes and some vertical shapes if you want, and we're gonna enjoy that. And make sure when you buy your 8-string guitar, you play these strings all the time. The other cool thing about this is, if you in the approach for bass, I gave the triad formation, which is that. Say we if you take another octave. So this is root third fifth, or root third fifth. So that approach would be nice on these upper strings here. Or you can actually use this scale approach, which is, you know, where this is the leading finger. That'll be cool, you know. So I wish you a happy watching on this channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Vakile. I'll meet you in the next guitar tutorial. 8 string. 8 string. Hey, like that. 8 string. Okay, so we're gonna enjoy this. This is cool, pretty cool. Look at this. Beautiful. My name is Vakila. Please subscribe to this channel, and you're gonna watch these things in time. Now they'll just come to you as soon as they come out. Cheers. Bye.